Hey there, great person, and welcome to my new reaction to The Witcher. Sorry for being a week late, but last week there was a lot to do. I mean, there's still a lot to do, but I finally got around to set myself down and watch this great show. And we're today at episode 2, and it's called Kaer Morhen, and that might even be The Witcher's place. I might remember that incorrectly though, but let's just see where it goes and what Jennifer got into because they were spear bearers and they were throwing spears at them, and I don't know what they did. And yeah, so Siri and Gerald are on their way to let's see where they go and let's see what happens.
I was only at the market, yeah. You made more than a few pennies thanks to your garden.
Oh, is this a dream? Are they gonna go into dream world? I knew it was gonna burn. I knew the child would gonna catch. I knew it was gonna catch fire. I didn't say it though. What is that weird dude? So who caught them?
We'll be saved. I have faith.
Forget faith. You've got power.
Yeah, elves.
Hidden close.
The elf king is back. So elves can shoot very long spears. That, yeah, I understand. I don't know why they do, but
I need to see her.
I come bearing gifts.
quite interesting that they build up such an empire after that one scene in the cave in season 1.
Set us free. And we promise to grant you
Oh, she's a powerful witch queen. Oh, unfortunate for sure.
I'm doing everything I can to keep you safe.
Do I know that woman? I know Philavandrel. Oh, that looks like the storm. What were they called in Skyrim? The storm fortress.
Last I checked, we were 20.
Oh, that's not good. Only 20. Yeah, because the one guy got mauled in season 1. Yeah. So he is probably gonna try and turn her into a witcheress.
Sorry.
I thought they all had white hair.
You're home.
Yeah, like him.
Vesemir. He's home!
Why is he looking at her like that? That's a bit weird, mate.
Each of your faces is cause enough for celebration. You're safe, you made it back.
Oh, yeah, it's probably harsh. Why can't they produce more, though?
To forgetting the fucking path! For one fucking night.
Oh, you seem mad. Oh no, you're just very happy. Okay, I mistook him for... Yeah.
Unless you're aching for the sting of one of their fucking roots.
Oh.
Only thing that puts one down.
Uh-oh. So it's still alive.
6,000 that
What is going on? Are they making fun of him? Is it inside him? Is he gonna... He's weird. What's he gonna do? Okay, it's a wolven head that's decaying or being a demon. Nice. Training montage, yay! I think I played the tutorial there in Witcher 3. That's about all I played of that game, but I think that's here.
I had to save her.
I know. And you knew I would call you out on it.
Yeah. Yes, old wise guy.
But remember what happened the last time witches shoved their noses into the dramas of courts and kingdoms.
What did happen? What did happen?
Barking for.
I know that already.
Yeah, we kind of know that. Though why is she not doing her magic shot anymore?
Isn't the castle, Your Highness?
He's so weird. He's gonna get mad and he has the stupid thing inside of him, I think. Probably possessed by the root demon. Oh, that reminds me of Yeski. I wonder where he went.
So don't try to...
What was yours about?
Do you think now's the time to start sharing stories about
Do
dreams?
you really think I'm asking because I personally give a shit?
Probably not.
Even our caves at the edge of the world have fallen to monsters. But we mustn't lose faith in a bright elven future.
So call the Witcher if you've got problems with monsters. I don't see the problem. Oh, of course, I see the problem. That was a joke.
The white robe hides
Did
it.
she just magic cook the milk? What a handy... Yeah.
The lyrics change often.
The white flame wants to punish the very people who oppress yours.
She had her stupid white flame.
My people turned to Francesca after I failed to beat Calanthe. They needed faith.
Faith's a simple medicine.
Okay, so they did that. I mean, okay, so the sister is now in charge, I guess. But okay, I like him more.
Dying out, though, because they can't reproduce.
Like the Witchers.
Training is dangerous.
I'm sure. But she will train anyway.
Why?
I hate him.
Hate leads to the dark side of the Force.
We kill to save lives. Do you understand?
She probably doesn't, though she will learn. I'm sure she will learn.
What's that?
Stay here.
It's probably the one guy that's starting to get possessed by the weird demon root thing. Oh no, okay, well, it's a party. I mean, fine.
It was Wyvern blood. You shouldn't be here.
I hear that you have a daughter now.
Okay, so they know each other? Oh yeah, let the child go to the you-know-what party.
The last thing I wanna do is play knight.
Yeah, he's gonna be dangerous and yeah. Okay, perhaps he's just a dick and he's not possessed.
You killed the usurper. You saved me.
And yours.
Yeah, what about yours, Yennefer? Your weird cloak man, what did he do? Promise you a child.
It's an incantation about a hut with no doors.
My father, he used to scare us with stories about the witch in the woods.
Ooh, the witch in the woods.
Perhaps his deathless mother's one of the old gods.
First
I-
he says Ethelyn,
Please,
then he says one of the old
please,
gods.
designs
please
would either
don't
have
wake
one
up the
too
old
many?
god. Yep, they woke up the old god. Oh, it's just a tunnel. Okay. Those are very beautiful swords. Oh, what special dagger thing are you? Are you the... Yeah.
She wreaked havoc until the witches bound her deep in the forest. That's what she used to kill him.
Oh, good, and now she's gonna be resurrected. Yeah, he's so gonna enter. Or the weird Botrackle tree is gonna end him. Who would have thought that he was being taken over? I did. I said it. I knew it. I know these things. Ooh. Hansel and Gretel.
Hut, hut. Turn your front to me. Hut, hut.
Okay, yeah. So, you just summoned an old god. Why would you do that? That's actually very cool. Hansel and Gretel.
Hiding in the cellar, waiting for the humans to come for us. You were the last surviving Witcher after Camoran fell. You and a batch of mutated orphans.
Oh. Oh. So he was the last survivor.
But you protected us anyway.
No. I taught you how to fend for yourselves.
That's the difference.
Wield your wits, boys.
I'll secure the guests. I'll check the wing.
We'll check the perimeter.
Follow me.
So is the father figure of Witcher gonna die this episode? Yeah, F it up, mate. So can they all use Phosphrodar? Let's see. Yeah, get it, get it. Okay, so what is the Witch of the West gonna do? Is that Tom? No, it's a witch or whatever. I thought it was Tom Bombadil, but it was too ugly.
Hello.
Okay, it's a psycho thing. Great.
I'm not scared. And I don't do help. Yes. You don't need anyone.
Okay, so no, there is a siren psycho witch.
That's your play. It's rather desperate. You're the desperate one, Yennefer. The most.
Who is that? Should I know that actress, the young one?
You thought you were special. But no. Yours was obvious too.
Okay, so this is getting a bit annoying. Because it's going on, and I know he's tempting them and whatever.
All you need to do is ask.
You're not Itheline, are you?
Your ancestors' faith was better than yours.
That's the evil witch. What do you think? She's so stupid.
But you'd rather be blind than see the truth. Remember this lesson, Piglet?
But you can draw from infinity. That's probably it.
Zillilope. Zillilope.
Move, damn it! Fucking parlor tricks!
Yeah, that is true. Yeah, I'm sure demon, witch, whatever. Now she looks like a frog.
To take it from you. And I will.
I'm so not sure what that was. It was the weird witch that wanted to influence them, but okay. I mean, fine, you could show me in less than 10 minutes. Were cool effects though, very cool effects. Oh, a bit long. It was a bit long. Yeah, he kind of effed himself. Yeah, get it. Get it. He's got very good reflexes. The training is paid off. Oh, good. The guy is an idiot. It looks pretty sick, though. That looks pretty sick. Nice.
That's cool.
Put me out of my misery, old friend. Why did he throw away the fire? Couldn't he have... I don't know.
But I thought I could fight it.
Obviously you could not. Oh no, he's gonna die now, isn't he? Ciri's probably gonna cry it to death. With her screams, not with crying. The last battle, I guess. It's nice they have this trap in the room.
Please, stop.
Yeah, he's gonna kill him. He can do that. He can just do fire magic. That's good. If he's dead now, I'm gonna be pretty pissed because that would have been a shit death. Okay, good. Thank God. I was a bit worried. One more down. Sad. Very sad, but I mean, yeah, he was kind of an idiot.
An end to these nonsense.
Glib as ever. If she really is that evil, why does she let you go?
I don't know, because she's got plans for her and wants to gaslight her. I guess. Because she knows she can be turned. So is that witch now running rampant? I'm not sure. I really like those two together. That's a very nice pairing. And he is a very good dad, I think. So, I mean...
Come with me.
I'm now gonna train you in the arts of the witchers. Why won't you port away? It's raining. You're getting wet. Port away. Use your porting. Please, once!
Are changing. Even here.
That's quite a lot. Oh, that's why they were there. Because it's the dead ones. Oh.
You can't run from
Ah, okay. So she's trying. Okay, never mind. I did not say anything. She's trying.
But you can find power and purpose.
You can be a witcher. Give it to her. Give her the sword. I kind of want him to give her the sword. What is she doing? Why is she not being able to conjure it up? Because she touched the chaos, perhaps. Because she's not in sync with it anymore. And she has to learn again. Yeah, what happened to you? I still don't get that. If you would be so kind as to explain that to me in the comments, guys. I really don't understand why she can't cast anymore. It's probably because she's out of sync because of the chaos, isn't she?
Let's keep your sword
close. Yes, he's got the
keep
sword.
moving.
Yes, give it to her. Train her. Yeah, put away this stupid badger cloak and... Ah, very nice. Those two together are so good. I'm a bit sad that Ciri did not get to do so much in this episode, but I guess now she'll be trained some years, perhaps even, and then she will rock it. She will rock it. Yeah, that was the episode. I like the lore. I think I was a bit let down on the density. I don't know how to explain it, because the stuff that happened was quite interesting and intriguing, though it felt dragged out a bit. The stuff with the witch queen demon woman was a bit drawn out, because I knew what she was doing and she did it again and again and again, and the effects were good, but they was probably expensive. So I hope that down the line I will not get to a scene where I say, oh, you could have used some budget here and you could have taken that from the teleporting white flame guy. I don't know, but that's more of a nitpick. So Yennefer is now free. She can't cast anymore. Why not? Yeah, my theory will be that she's out of sync because she used the Chaos Fire thing. And did she cast after that? I don't think so. I don't think she cast. She didn't cast after that, I think. So I mean, yeah, it's probably that. It's probably that she can't, and she has to relearn, and she's broken psychologically as well because of the child stuff. Frigilla is weird. I don't know what she's doing. She's all like, oh yeah, Nilfgaard. And yeah, she was like, okay. And the elf woman, she was mildly interesting. I like the elf guy more than we knew from last season. Or did we know her from last season as well? If so, I forgot her. But the elf guy was cool, and he was... I hope he will not do something stupid though, because yeah, I don't know. So she now has a prophecy as well. Yeah. So in Fel Moran, or whatever it was called, what's the Witcher home castle called? That was a very nice thing. Was a bit obvious that he got corrupted. I was not sure in the middle a bit, but yeah, he pretty much was corrupted because he didn't use the wood, the fire, and it was obvious that he got something there. Yeah, they ended him. Yeah, it was just he ran bad and they ended him. That was all. And Geralt, like, it was nice. Putting the flame onto the sword and then slaying him easily. So they could have probably done that more quickly because they tried to save him. I guess that's why they did the things with the chains. And when he tried to destroy the master, then yeah, they knew he was gone too far. And yeah, so 19 left, or 18. That's very bad. I really, really do like that Ciri's gonna be trained now. I don't know if she's gonna be a Witcher, but she being trained, and now they've got some time, and now she will be more badass, and she might even be able to control the crying and the cries. She has this shockwave cry, and they are bonding even more through peril, and I love that. So it was a great episode. If you did like this, consider liking, subscribing, ring the bell, and as always, I hope you have a great day. So see you next week. Bye.